So what happens if you make a demand and you can't come to a fair settlement with the insurance company? The next step would be to file a lawsuit, and that means a complaint filed in the county where the driver or the store is located. And so when that happens, we file suit, and the defendant then has 30 days to respond to your lawsuit. After the defendant responds, which normally happens, the case goes into what is called the discovery period, and that is a 6-month period where each side gets to discover facts about the case. So some of the things that go on during discovery is we exchange written discovery. Written discovery could take the form of interrogatories as well as requests for production of documents, and that is just a list of questions that is sent by both sides that each side wants the other party to answer. And request to produce is requesting that the other side turn over any relevant documents to the case. Also, non-party requests can be made to cell phone carriers, medical providers, employers, schools, a whole host of people. The other thing that we do during discovery is what's called a deposition, and I get into depositions in another video, but essentially a deposition is a statement under oath that someone gives in person in front of a court reporter. They swear to tell the truth, and everything is taken down, and that deposition can later be used at trial to impeach someone or make sure that their story stays consistent throughout the course of litigation. And so people that are deposed include the parties, any witnesses, sometimes a police officer, the store manager if it's a slip and fall. It could also be an expert that's called in on the case. The depositions usually occur in that manner. Doctors are considered experts, or it could be a security expert or an expert who is in the area of asphalt or concrete repair. A host of people can be deposed. And so after that 6-month discovery period, usually the parties go back and try to renegotiate because the facts are pretty clear now. There are no smoking guns, so to speak. And so usually the case could be resolved, in a mediation prior to trial. If not, the case goes to trial, and we have another video explaining what happens at trial, so tune in for that. But again, pretty much what happens during the 6 months after a lawsuit is filed. I hope that it was informative. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, call me, 404-975-0958.